Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurtaningsi. I'm from Big 6B. Now I wanna explain about of procedure text. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope fine. So, saya akan menjelaskan tentang procedure text. Di sini apakah ada yang tahu procedure text? Procedure text adalah cara menyampaikan.
Pernahkah teman-teman mencoba membuat kopi dalgona? Nah, kedua hal tadi pasti disertai dengan langkah-langkah yang harus dilakukan, atau disebut juga dengan prosedur. So, in this video, we will learn procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is the kind of text that shows a series of order of making something, doing something, or getting somewhere. Procedure text adalah teks yang berisi perintah atau langkah-langkah dalam mengerjakan sesuatu. Procedure text is divided into two, recipe and manual. First, recipe procedure text. For example, how to make toast salads. Recipe procedure texts are a part of procedure text and a list of ingredients and a set of instructions that tell you how to cook something. Recipe procedure text merupakan sebuah teks berisi langkah-langkah dalam proses memasak atau membuat suatu makanan. There are three generic structure of recipe procedure text. Kita bisa lihat dari contoh berikut. First, goal or aim. How to make lemon tea. Second, ingredients. And the last one, steps or methods. Mari kita pahami struktur bagian teks prosedur resep. First, goal or aim. It contains the purpose how to make something. Berisi tujuan teks yaitu bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu. Biasanya terdapat pada judul teks. Second, ingredients. This part describes the elements we need to make something. Bagian ini menjelaskan bahan-bahan yang kita butuhkan untuk membuat sesuatu. And the last one, steps or methods. This part describes the sets of instruction, dan pada bagian ini berisi langkah-langkah untuk membuat sesuatu. Language features of recipe are using simple present tense, using adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective, using imperative sentences or command, using adverb of time to express details of time. Kita lihat kembali contoh teks how to make lemon tea. Simple present and imperative sentences or command. Adverbial of sequence. Adverb of time to express details of time. So, the purpose of recipe procedure text are to describe how something is made in sequence steps, to provide a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers how to make something, and the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the steps of making something. Jadi, tujuan teks prosedur untuk mendeskripsikan langkah-langkah membuat sesuatu secara berurutan. Let's continue second type procedural text, manual procedural text. For example, 6 steps of hand wash technique. Manual procedure texts are a part of procedure text, a book or pamphlet that contains an explanation about how something and should be done in sequence steps. Teks Teks prosedur manual adalah sebuah teks berbentuk buku panduan, pamflet yang berisi langkah kerja secara berurutan. There are three generic structure of manual procedure text. Kita bisa lihat dari contoh berikut. First, goal or aim, how to operate television. Second, materials. And the last one, steps or instruction. Berbeda dengan struktur bagian teks prosedur resep, pada teks prosedur manual, struktur bagiannya yaitu the first is goal or aim, berisi cara melakukan atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. The second generic structure is materials, berisi alat-alat yang kita butuhkan untuk melakukan atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. And the last generic structure is instruction, menjelaskan instruksi melakukan sesuatu. Language feature of manual procedure text are using simple present tense, using adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective, using imperative sentences or command. Kita lihat kembali contoh teks how to operate television. Simple present and imperative sentences or command. Adverbial of sequence. So, the purpose of manual procedure text are to describe how something is done in sequence steps, to provide a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers how to do something, and the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the steps of making or doing something. Jadi, tujuan teks prosedur manual adalah mendeskripsikan langkah-langkah untuk melakukan sesuatu secara berurutan. Teman-teman,
That's all. Thank you very much for attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.